course, you have entrances on this side of the building to the restrooms or bathhouses. And here we go. For the parents to have a place to sit and relax while the children play on the playground, they have this really nice gazebo. Has the tables and chairs. It also has power, so you can stay out here at night and still see. Okay, here's the gazebo for day use. There are 3 fireplaces, barbecue pits, plenty of tables, trash can. Very nice, very clean area. Little area to show you. And of course, there is power here for use. So you do have power at the gazebo to plug in radio, lights, whatever you see fit that you would need. You'd be overlooking this area. Really, really nice view of the river. Again, trash cans for easy disposal. Come back up the sidewalk.
Hello YouTubers. When reviewing some video, I realized that we actually lost the video of the inside of the indoor pavilion. So I wanted to get on here just a little bit and kind of show you the pictures I do have of it and kind of tell you some information. As of right now, as far as I know, it is a deposit, but free to use for campers for the day. You do have to schedule times for that, and they will let you go in early and whatever you need. But it is a very beautiful facility. It is got a very large kitchen, big open area, and also there is rocking chairs on the very front of it, so it's very nice to sit out there and just rock and talk to people. And it is also very close to the campgrounds, as you could see walking up, but also it's very close to the boat dock. So if you have some type of function where you, like a fishing function or something like that, is very nice to have. Other than that, that will conclude our video tour of the pavilions at Grand Ecore in Natchitoches, Louisiana. They are all very, very well kept and very nice to use. We did not use any of them because we had our camper, so we just went back to that. But if you like it and you like this video, we do have another one of the full tour of the campground. So go ahead, like and subscribe, and go check out those other ones. Bye for now.